So while cloud services can empower organisations, they can be equally as challenging. You've got security that you need to consider, and bills can spiral. Medium businesses often lack the leverage or expertise to negotiate favourable terms. Add to that the complexity of multi-cloud environments, lack of skilled staff, migration, licensing confusion. There's a lot to get through. The first place to start is to create a prioritised checklist and engage a technical service provider like Hubify to support you along the way. So most organisations outsource their IT because they want to predict their costs, they want a scalable solution, and they want coverage over the weekends or after hours when their staff aren't in the office. But not every managed service provider delivers on their promises. At Hubify, we offer a boutique service where we work in client-centric hubs, where we have dedicated around 15 people for each customer group, where you get the coverage of everything from your high-level engineers to your help desk staff, and there's a team leader responsible and accountable to deliver your service. So you get a personalised service, but you get that breadth of coverage and expertise that we offer across the whole business. So when considering AI for business, it's important to consider privacy and security. If you've got your employees just accessing your standard ChatGPT and utilising documents that are internal or documents from your clients and sharing those documents with ChatGPT to get more information back, then you've lost all privacy and security of that information. So there are a lot of business grade AI products. You know, Microsoft, of course, have Copilot, but what Copilot does is it ensures that if you're leveraging the search tool to enter information and you're entering documents or documents that have got IP from your clients, for example, to create further presentations or documents or to get more information, that data is staying within your Microsoft tenancy. So it's not being shared with the rest of the world. It's in a closed environment, a secure environment, and that's why it's important to be considering business grade AI versus consumer grade AI if you're running a business. So what we're doing with our clients is we're helping them get those business models in place. And there's three real phases to that. The first one is readiness, so ensuring we understand where your data is, where it resides, and then we've got policies, setting the right policies to ensure that the right people are accessing the right data, and then it comes down to training. So making sure that your team is trained and they understand how to utilise the tools. Globally, 79% of employees are utilising AI. So your team are using it right now, but is your information protected? Is the information of your clients protected? They're the things you need to be thinking about when you look at an AI solution within a business. Yeah, we've run a few lunch and learn sessions now on AI, and it's amazing the different levels that businesses are at in relation to their AI journey. Some are just utilising search tools, some are actually implementing processes within their business. So it's quite broad and but very topical, and everyone wants to know about it.